Pascagoula Bathroom Renovation MS is a top priority for homeowners seeking accessible bathroom solutions. Pascagoula. With a focus on senior bathroom remodel. Pascagoula MS, our team of Pascagoula Bathroom Contractors MS ensures that every project meets the highest standards of safety and accessibility. Our custom walk-in tubs Pascagoula are designed to provide comfort and ease of use for all users. Walk-in tub installation Pascagoula is a crucial part of our renovation services, ensuring that every bathroom upgrade meets accessibility standards. Walk-in tub installation Pascagoula MS is a service that requires expertise and precision. Our bathtub installation experts Pascagoula are well versed in the latest walk-in tub features Pascagoula, ensuring a seamless installation process. Whether you need a tub-to-shower conversion Pascagoula or a complete bathtub replacement in Pascagoula MS, our team is equipped to handle all your needs. Walk-in tub installation Pascagoula ensures that every installation is completed with precision and safety in mind. Pascagoula walk-in tubs offer numerous benefits, including enhanced safety and convenience. Our walk-in bathtub safety Pascagoula features are designed to prevent accidents and provide peace of mind. With Pascagoula Tub Safety Features MS, you can enjoy a relaxing bath without worrying about slips or falls. Our handicap-accessible tubs Pascagoula MS are perfect for individuals with mobility challenges. Walk-in tub installation Pascagoula guarantees a secure and user-friendly bathing solution. Bathtub conversion services Pascagoula MS are ideal for those looking to upgrade their bathroom without a full remodel. Our Pascagoula bathroom upgrades MS include a variety of options, from simple bathtub accessibility options Pascagoula to more extensive renovations. Our bathtub installation services Pascagoula MS are tailored to meet the unique needs of each client, ensuring a personalized experience. With walk-in tub installation Pascagoula, we make your bathroom safer and more functional. Pascagoula Senior Bathroom Solutions are essential for creating a safe and comfortable environment for older adults. Our Senior Bathroom Remodel Pascagoula MS focuses on incorporating features that enhance usability and accessibility. With our walk-in tub specialists Pascagoula MS, you can transform your bathroom into a space that caters to your specific needs. Walk-in tub installation Pascagoula is a key component in ensuring that senior bathrooms are safe and accessible. Pascagoula Bath Remodel Services offer a comprehensive approach to bathroom renovation. Our team of Pascagoula tub installers is dedicated to providing high-quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. From walk-in tub installation Pascagoula to bathtub replacement Pascagoula, we cover all aspects of bathroom remodeling, ensuring comfort and safety. Bathtub Installation Company Pascagoula MS is committed to delivering top-notch services to our clients. Our walk-in tub installation experts ensure that every project is completed to the highest standards. With our Pascagoula MS walk-in bathtub services, you can enjoy the benefits of a modern, accessible bathroom. Walk-in tub installation Pascagoula is at the core of our commitment to improving bathroom accessibility. Accessible bathroom solutions Pascagoula are crucial for individuals with limited mobility. Our bathtub installation experts Pascagoula specialize in creating spaces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you need a walk-in tub installation Pascagoula or a complete bathroom renovation, our team is here to help, ensuring ease of access and safety. Pascagoula bath safety services are designed to provide peace of mind for homeowners. Our walk-in tub benefits Pascagoula MS include features such as non-slip surfaces and easy-to-reach controls. With our bathtub installation company Pascagoula MS, you can rest assured that your bathroom is both safe and stylish. Walk-in tub installation Pascagoula is the best choice for those looking for enhanced bath safety solutions. Pascagoula MS is home to expert walk-in tub installation Pascagoula services, providing top-notch accessible bathroom solutions for residents. Our Pascagoula walk-in tubs are designed with safety and comfort in mind, making them ideal for senior bathroom remodel projects. With a focus on walk-in bathtub safety, our team of Pascagoula tub installers ensures a seamless and secure installation process. For those considering a bathtub replacement in Pascagoula, our bathtub conversion services offer a variety of options, including tub-to-shower conversion. Our Pascagoula bathroom upgrades are tailored to meet the needs of every client, ensuring a perfect fit for any home. Handicap-accessible tubs are a specialty, providing peace of mind and independence for users. Walk-in tub installation Pascagoula is one of our most sought-after services for those seeking accessibility improvements. Our Pascagoula bath remodel services include custom walk-in tubs with unique features to enhance usability and safety. The walk-in tub benefits are numerous, from improved accessibility to added comfort. Our bathtub installation experts in Pascagoula are dedicated to delivering high-quality results, ensuring customer satisfaction with every project. Walk-in tub installation Pascagoula is key to transforming bathrooms into safer spaces. Pascagoula bathroom renovation projects are handled by experienced contractors who understand the importance of functionality and style. Our Pascagoula tub safety features are designed to prevent accidents and provide a secure bathing environment. Bathtub accessibility options are available to suit any need, making us the go-to choice for Pascagoula bathroom contractors. Walk-in tub installation Pascagoula is essential for improving bathroom safety and accessibility. Walk-in tub features in Pascagoula include slip-resistant surfaces, easy-to-reach controls, and comfortable seating. Our bathtub installation services in Pascagoula MS are comprehensive, covering everything from initial consultation to final installation. For those seeking senior bathroom solutions in Pascagoula, our walk-in tub specialists offer personalized service and expert advice. Walk-in tub installation Pascagoula ensures you get the best features for comfort and security. Pascagoula bath safety services are essential for creating a safe and accessible bathroom environment. Our bathtub installation company in Pascagoula MS is committed to providing reliable and efficient service. With a focus on walk-in tub installation Pascagoula, we ensure that every project is completed to the highest standards, prioritizing safety and ease of use. Pascagoula MS walk-in bathtub services are designed to meet the needs of every client, offering a range of options for bathtub replacement in Pascagoula MS. Accessible bathroom solutions in Pascagoula are our specialty, providing peace of mind and independence for users. Senior bathroom remodel projects in Pascagoula MS are handled with care and expertise, ensuring a perfect fit for any home. Walk-in tub installation Pascagoula is at the forefront of our accessibility-focused solutions. Our Pascagoula MS tub installers are skilled professionals dedicated to delivering high-quality results. Walk-in bathtub safety in Pascagoula is a top priority, with features designed to prevent accidents and provide a secure bathing environment. Bathtub conversion services in Pascagoula MS offer a variety of options, including tub-to-shower conversion, to suit any need. Walk-in tub installation Pascagoula is a reliable solution for those wanting a safer, more accessible bathroom.